Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you that I have made a mistake while preparing the formula for this 200 column width ring calculation. That too only the center ring x value. So in that center ring x value means I am showing in the 200 formula calculation sheet. So this is that 200 width column ring calculation formula. In this my outer ring is correct, and while calculating the center ring, no, in this center ring x value, while calculating this x value, I did this divided by n. So instead of n, n minus 1 has to be come. So why? Because we are taking this number of rods, means one side number of column rods are there, no, this one side number of column rods we are taking. So because that we need to find out the number of spacing in between these rods, we are calculating the x value in between this rod center to rod center. So then how many rod centers will be available here? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, it is double spacing, that's why 5, 6, 7, 8, only 8 spacing will come over here. That's why this x value will come for the 8 spacing. That's why the total number of rod is 9 over here, but we want the number of spacing is 8. That's why we need to do n minus 1 over here. We have did n plus 1 for the 300 column. Here you see this is the 300 column. Here to calculating that x value we did n plus 1 over here. Why? Because here we are taking that one side number of column rods between the diamond ring. So here you see the number of column rods are coming, no, here this number of column rods we are taking in between this diamond ring only, because we are not taking these two rod and these two rod we are not taking into account. This is we are taking separate for the diamond ring, and we are taking only in between the diamond ring how many column main rods are, those only we are taking. And here the spacing will come plus 1, because from this rod to this rod we are taking the spacing calculation. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spacing will come in the 4 rods. That's why here n plus 1 we are doing. And in the same thing in the 200 column we have to do n plus 1, because total if 9 number of rod is there we will get 8 spacing. If 8 number of rod is there we will take 7 spacing. That's why we have to do it over 9 plus 1. So this has been made mistake from my side, so I am apologizing for all those. So please update this n minus 1 formula. Whoever not practiced, please make it n minus 1 this, and in the calculations please update the formula. So I will explain you how to update this formula. So those has to update only from the first floor to second. Also I have uploaded the same this 200 column ring reinforcement formula, one short video. I have uploaded this ID card. Just see this ID card for the updated formula short video. You will understand from it. I will show you in the CAD drawing. So you see this is the columns from basement, and this is the column in the ground floor, and the ground floor means first floor onwards only these columns are changing from 300 to 200 where this column is changing to 200 no, this area only we need to change those formula, means from first floor onwards up to this terrace level we have to change that formula. For that only I am explaining. Please, I am requesting to change this formula. So for the x value for this 200 size column. So how to change means just go to that inside rod spacing, means where you are putting that x value, no. So go to that cell and select the formula sheet and just put minus 1 and close one bracket for that denominator, that n minus 1. So then this value will get changed. So then automatically the all other formulas will get update. This cutting length will get this spacing. Once this spacing will come correct, then all other calculation will get correct. So then the same formula you can change for all other also. Here also you can do this is put minus 1 and close bracket, and one more bracket has to be open for this denominator. So only this has to be done. And how to update all this means just copy this formula and paste it to all cells. Just Control C, Control V, go to each and every cells, go to put Control V. So wherever we have calculated now, just go there and put Control V, then all the formulas will get update. This has to be done from first floor onwards, first floor to second floor, and the same thing from second floor to third floor. Here also you have to do, just go to that formula, X formula, put -1 and close and open one bracket and close one bracket for the n minus 1. This bracket should be must and should, because if you put without a bracket, this -1, this n minus 1 will not happen. This all the values will divided by n and then -1 will come. So then we must and should we put the bracket for this denominator. So then again you have to copy this formula, copy and paste it for all the cells, all the x values only. So requesting to update all of them for this formula. So how much you have calculated, please do it. And same thing for the terrace, in this above terrace floor column also we have to do it. You see here also -1, just open close bracket and open one bracket. The same formula, please Control C and paste it for all. So this here you have to do it for all the columns. So how many columns you have calculated for all the columns? If you see the to instead of copy paste, if the number of empty rows and this will be same, then what you have to do, just select from here to here and just drag it from how many the same thing will come. So still drag it till that columns. When if it, you see here two values, two digits come now, then leave it there. So till here it has been updated, and again you come down, just put Control D, that formula will come for that. Again you select from here to here and again you drag it. You see here the number of spacing is less over here, then it will come up to here, and here you see only 3 empty rows are there and here 4 empty rows are there, then here it will get problem. So then put Control C and paste it over here, and again here you see only 3 lines are there, just Control C, Control V and Control V and Control D. So like that, please update this formula for the x value, then rest all these things are same. I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.